Due to the incline and narrow grip, the Smith machine close grip incline bench press primarily targets the muscles in the upper chest and triceps with secondary involvement from the shoulders. Since the barbell on the Smith machine moves in a locked-in, straight up and down path, it requires less activation of the stabilization muscles, thus making it easier to isolate the muscles in the chest and triceps. To get started, adjust the incline bench to a 45-degree angle and place it under the Smith machine at a position that allows the bar to be lowered in alignment to the upper chest. Sit on the incline bench with your back flat against the pad with your feet firmly planted into the floor. Grip the bar with an overhand close grip, slightly narrower than shoulder width apart with your palms facing forward. Lift the bar up off the rack with a slight forward twist to move the safety hooks away from the safety bar. Engage your core, then under control, slowly lower the bar towards your upper chest while keeping your elbows tucked close to your side and in front of your body. Pause briefly at the bottom of the movement, then with your core flexed, engage your chest muscles by pushing the bar back up to the starting position, stopping just short of full lockout. Avoid arching your back or lifting your hips off the bench. Repeat for reps. Once you've completed your set, carefully re-rack the bar back onto the Smith machine hooks, ensuring the bar is securely in place before releasing your grip. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.